What cover girl is in your garage?
Oh yeah, I have a shrine in my garage of my wife. The hottest wife and the hottest bike. Pretty much the only posters in the garage are of Rachel modeling.
The modeling thing sort of happened because of the motorcycle world, really, because I was riding, and then Jake was actually the first person to ever ask me to model anything. And in like 2017, he asked me to model his Pinup that he finished.
So I didn't know what I was doing, but I knew I wanted to work on motorcycles. I guess the thing about building bikes is it's always a challenge, and there's always something different. You never know what problem you're gonna have. It's definitely not easy. Everyone's mad at you all the time, it seems like. Every day is an adventure. Any chance you get to get on your bike is a great day. My name's Jake Silver. I build custom vintage Harley-Davidsons, mostly like pre-80 motor rebuilds, custom frames, all metal fabrication. I got my first Harley when I was like 20. I got into metal fabrication in high school, and so I was traveling, I was doing welding, and like I just decided to take that into motorcycles. So I traded a brand new Sportster for a piece of 1976 Ironhead, which is pretty much the worst Harley you could buy. So that was the first learning lesson, learn the hard way. So I didn't know what the I was doing, but I knew I wanted to work on motorcycles. From there, it's just been progressively building up, and to the point where I've gotten so busy, I had to pretty much quit my day job just to keep up with it. Even have to call in some backup help every once in a while.
I'm Rachel, and I'm Jake's wife. I'm a tattoo artist. I've been an artist forever. Started apprenticing to tattoo when I was 19 and started tattooing full-time when I was 21. I've been riding since like 2016. The modeling thing sort of happened because of the motorcycle world, really, because I was riding, and then just any female rider, they're like, oh, sit on my bike and we'll take a picture. And Jake was actually the first person to ever ask me to model anything.
Rachel and I met 5 or 6 years ago. I had just finished building the bike for the People's Champ contest, and my buddy Paul was doing the shoot, and Rachel was the model for the bike.
Jake loves the posters. He's got them all. #1 fan.
I have a shrine in my garage of my wife. The hottest wife and the hottest bike.
I always wanted to buy land, and I knew, I was like, before I turn 30, I'm gonna have a farm, I'm gonna have land. Hey, buddy. You being good?
Somehow within like 6 months, I talked her into moving out to a 20-acre farm with me.
Jake and I bought it. We'd only been dating for like 3 months, and we decided to do the stupid thing and just buy a giant piece of land together out of nowhere. But it's been awesome. I moved in with 2 dogs and a pig, and he moved in with the 2 kids.
I went from having 1 dog to no dog, move here, and then cows and goats and pigs and 4 dogs and 2 kids, and it's just insane.
We had this farm for 2 years now, and we'll both be working from here soon, so it'll be a total homestead. Live out on the farm with Jake and the kids and the critters, and it's pretty fun.
Yeah, the rest is just kind of, history. It's all motorcycles. It's kind of motorcycles and tattoos.
Oh man, this place was a mule barn, and I had to duck to walk in here because it was a dirt floor. My name's Tom Israel. They call me Izzy. I've known Jake for a few years through Scott Wolf that passed away. He was old bartender at Bert's Bar.
Tom Israel is the whole reason I'm even sitting on this couch right now in front of you.
Tom and Jake have known each other for a long time, and he's actually the reason why we even have this place.
A real fucking biker dude.
Dev's got her own bikes too, and they've both been riding together forever.
Yeah, he's got cars and motorcycles.
They're like family. We do all the holidays together and stuff. It's all the crafts, making stained glass and pottery, and it's so fun. They're so cool.
Jimmy, I use...
Tom was one of the first people I met when I got my first Harley. But we just help each other out and, you know, always work on something together.
Well, it's just the shape. I mean, they're all pretty similar, but I mean, if you taper the end of the exhaust, then it's going to give it more like a different pitch. Or if you have more bends or more turns.
We help each other out. Jake's pretty much, you know, in his own world on his builds. I'm hoping that we could give them a little knowledge of some sort, you know. I'm not sure if we're putting out good vibes or bad, you know. I'm hoping that I can teach him a little something, and I hope he teaches me something too, you know. And it's all about brotherhood and sisterhood.
Fresh as fuck. I was like, dude, you should go get that professionally done somewhere, because it's not good, all right? And that's sorry.
Born Free is pretty much like the largest pinnacle of motorcycle shows they've got, at least in the US. Every walk of life, every type of motorcycle, 20 or 30,000 people go to this event every year. It's like you can get to the show and be invited and showcase your skills and essentially what you're after.
Jake's like, the mechanics of his mind is just a different level of, he's never owned this bike before, but someone could call him and ask him what part he needs for this motor that he's never owned or ridden, and he knows it off the top of his head. Like, he's just like got a different level of knowledge when it comes to that type of stuff.
Obviously, I've been trying to get to Born Free for a long time, so that's kind of where I'm at now, is fake it till you make it, I guess. I guess the thing about building bikes is it's always a challenge, and there's always something different. You never know what problem you're gonna have, or it's definitely not easy. Everyone's mad at you all the time, it seems like.
I'm excited to see him open up and get outside of his comfort zone, and also like he's been doing stuff for other people forever. And it's been awesome because he can do it, and he's really knowledgeable in all of it, but it's gonna be cool to see him really, I know he has so many ideas, and so watching him be able to finally bring them to life is gonna be awesome.
Oh, the bushings in your front end are probably worn out. All right, you might need to just be...
So it'll be fun we're always talking about new projects and making little cool, I guess, collaborations together with that type of thing. Excited.
I like riding, you know, hop on the Fat Boy and get Rachel on the back, keep my back warm.
It's really like mind clearing. There's nothing you guys can really think about besides what you're doing, which is probably the best part. You can't listen to music, you can't do anything. You're just like in your head, but you're not in your head.
Just cruising around by myself or the two of us. And
that's both of our passion and what we connect with.
any chance you get to get on your bike is fucking great day. I want to enjoy life out here on the farm with my wife and not have to work as much.
The point of us being here is not to just work ourselves to death. Probably just like not getting overwhelmed. There's always something to do. There's always 1,000 things to do.
Every day is an adventure. You never know what I'm going to get into. It's always got something to do with motorcycles and fucking farm animals. I love it out here. It's like my favorite places to be. Rachel's gonna have to bury me in the backyard because I don't want to leave.